This week I'll show you 5 ways to take care of your camera. And if you're a mirrorless shooter, the last one is an absolute blinder. From time to time your lens will get dirty and you'll get bits of dust and things like that on it. Make sure you have a lens cleaning kit and a blower to get rid of any dirt and debris. Then learn how to clean it properly. Use the blower to get rid of any sand grains or anything that could scratch your lens. And then use a microfiber cleaning cloth to get it clean. You may also have to buy some cleaning fluid if it's really dirty. When you get dust on your sensor, if the sensor cleaning function doesn't get rid of it, try the blower. This will get rid of all but the most stubborn bits of dust. If the blower doesn't get rid of it, either take your camera down to the local camera store to get it removed or buy a sensor cleaning kit. Once you've cleaned your lens, get a filter to protect the front element. I'd much prefer to have a broken filter than a broken or scratched lens, so get one and use it. Otherwise you'll have to send off your prized possession and you'll have no camera to take any photos with. Now this really bugs me, but when you see people with their lens hoods on backwards, just don't do it. It just looks amateur, it's lazy. It's not what the hood's built for. So take the time to take it off and put it on the right way. If it drops on the hood or this is the first thing to hit the ground, normally they're made of plastic, so they'll take the brunt of the hit. Your LCD screen on the back of your camera is your window to your work, so keep it safe. The flappy screens are the best for this, but if you don't have one, get a protector. I've left a camera in my bag while traveling once, and as I pulled it out, I noticed I'd packed it up against some cables. One of the ends of the cables had been scraping and scratching it for a few thousand miles. So buy an LCD screen protector. This will take the brunt of the knocks and scratches, and it's cheap and easy to replace. The last thing you want is your camera sitting around on your desk waiting for you to knock it over, spill a drink on it, or drop something on it. So get a comfortable place for it to live. This will keep it safe, and if it's in your bag and you want to go out and shoot, all you have to do is grab it and go. And now for the bonus I promised all of you mirrorless geeks. Put a strip of sticky tape on the inside of the lens cap. Any dust floating around in there will stick to the sticky bit. This isn't one of my original tips, but I learnt this off Philip Bloom. He's a fantastic cameraman and photographer. Check out the link below to some of his work. And that's about it. You'll never be able to keep your camera perfectly clean, and if you want to take it out into harsh environments, it's going to get dirty. But remember, you've probably saved and scraped all your hard-earned cash together to buy the best camera that you can. So look after it and use these tips to keep it clean. As always, give me a thumbs up if you like what you see, a thumbs down if you didn't, and for weekly tutorials, hints and tips in photography, subscribe and turn on notifications. I'll see you in the next one.